Hello guys, welcome to 5 Minute Medico. The aim of this channel is to give you the best possible mnemonics and tricks. So today's topic is history taking in obs and gynae. You might be wondering why this special topic like history taking in obs and gynae. So हर सब्जेक्ट के हिसाब से हिस्ट्री टेकिंग वेरी करता है. मेडिसिन, पीएसएम, पीडियाट्रिक्स, ऑब्स गाइनी सबका डिफरेंट हिस्ट्री टेकिंग है. सो देयर कम्स अ बिग क्वेश्चन कि हम लर्न कैसे करेंगे. Isn't there any trick for sequence? Yes, there is a trick. In this video, you should memorize this number, that is 11. So, in obs gynae, the most common procedure we perform is a per vaginal examination. So, there is a scenario and a trick. Very comfortably, I put on my mask for PV examination. This is the trick for sequence of history taking headings. V. Vitals of patient. C. Chief complaints. I. HOPI, that is history of presenting illness. P. History of present pregnancy. O. Obstetric history. M. Menstrual history. M. Medical history. S. Surgical history. F. Family history. P. Personal history. E. Examination, both general and systemic. So first heading, vitals include name of the patient, age, religion, address, date of admission, occupation of the patient, duration of marriage, husband's occupation, last menstrual period and gestational age. Next heading is chief complaints. If you are taking a case in obs gynae, these will be the only complaints you will be seeing in any ANC patient. The trick is complete block in blood flow. Basically, in pregnancy, female does not bleed, means she does not get her period. So it is a completely relatable trick, that is complete block in blood flow. Mind for the spelling of blood and flow. These are the major complaints you will get from a ANC patient. C. Constipation. B. Burning micturition, that is in urinary tract infection. N. Nausea, vomiting. B. Bleeding. L. Leaking. O. Edema. D. Discharge. F. Decreased fetal movements. L. Lethargy. O. Oral problems like gingivitis. U. Urine frequency, that is increased. Next heading, HOPI, that is we will elaborate the chief complaints. HOPP, we will tell about ANC visits, immunizations. Obstetrics history, we tell about GPAL formula, that is gravida, parity, abortion and live birth. Next heading, menstrual history. First we ask the age of menarche, then about the cycle, duration of the cycle, regularity, volume of blood flow and the last menstrual period. Next heading, past medical history. It includes conditions like diabetes mellitus, hypertension, TB, asthma, blood transfusion history. Past surgical history, LSCS, laparotomy, cervical cerclage. Family history includes diabetes mellitus, hypertension, TB, asthma, hereditary disorders. In personal history, we ask for any addiction, bowel bladder movements, appetite and sleep cycle. In examination, there are two types of examination, general examination and systemic examination. We will start general examination by patient is well oriented to time, place and person. We will take patient's height, weight and pickle, that is pallor, icterus, clubbing, cyanosis, lymphadenopathy and edema. In general history, we will include vitals, that is blood pressure, pulse and respiratory rate. In obs gynae history taking, there is a special heading, that is breast examination. We see for the size of the breast, nipple, whether it is inverted, condition of areola, we check for cracking and tenderness of the breast. Systemic examination, respiratory system, S1, S2 heard, no murmur. CVS, air entry equal on both sides. CNS, patient well oriented to time, place and person. In a normal ANC patient, we can copy this RS, CVS and CNS. The major systemic examination is per abdominal. There are three subheadings, inspection, palpation, auscultation. In inspection, we see linea nigra, presence of any scars, everted umbilicus is present or not, stria gravidum is also seen. In palpation, we check three things, abdominal girth, fundal height and grips. Abdominal girth is measured by a measuring tape at the level of umbilicus. There is a short logic for fundal height. This is the abdomen, this is xiphisternum, pubic symphysis and umbilicus. Fundal height is basically the multiplication of 4. So basically it is just a 4's table. Starting point is at pubic symphysis, that is 12 weeks. Extreme is 36 week at xiphisternum. अब दो चीज़ें याद रखनी है कि अम्बलिकस के लोअर और अपर एंड पे, लोअर एंड पे 20 वीक, अपर एंड पे 24 वीक अब 4 के टेबल में 12 के बाद आएगा 16 और फिर 20, सो यहाँ पे आएगा 16 वीक. नाउ इन बिटवीन 24 to 36 देयर इज 28, 32. सो वी विल मेक इक्वल डिस्टेंसेस. वी कैन ऑल्सो से 1/3 distance from umbilicus is 28 week and 2/3 distance from umbilicus is 32 weeks. 32 weeks coincides with 40 weeks. In grips there are basically 4 grips. फर्स्ट ग्रिप इज़ फंडल ग्रिप. यहाँ हम पेशेंट के साइड में खड़े रहेंगे और दोनों हाथों से पाल्पेट करेंगे जिफिस्टर्नम पे. सो इफ देर इज एनी सॉफ्ट ऑर्गन फीलिंग देन हेड इज डाउनवर्ड नियर द प्यूबिक सिम्फाइसिस, मीन्स इट इज अ सिफेलिक पोजिशन. If we can feel anything hard, which means head at the ziphisternum, means buttocks is at the pubic symphysis. So this is breech position. Second grip is the lateral grip. Similarly, हम पेशेंट के साइड में खड़े रहेंगे और दोनों हाथों से पाल्पेट करेंगे. Here we check the transverse position of the fetus and we find back and limbs of the fetus. Third grip is called as Paulick's grip. Similarly, we stand beside the patient, palpate with a single hand and try to locate the head of the fetus. This lets us know whether the head is fixed in the pubic symphysis and ready for the delivery. Fourth grip is deep pelvis grip. यहाँ हम पेशेंट के पीछे खड़े रहेंगे, दोनों हाथों से पाल्पेट करेंगे. It is a confirmatory grip for third grip, that is the Paulick's grip. In auscultation, we hear fetal heart sound by a Doppler or a stethoscope. These are some extra point, that is investigations: CBC, blood group, HB count, PS, VDRL, HBS AG, HIV, sickling test, urine analysis, thyroid function, GTT, vaginal swab. There are 3 USGs. In first trimester, we perform dating scan. Second trimester, anomaly scan. Third trimester, growth scan. We should always conclude our case with the advice. Advice should be related to the case. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you loved this video, please like, share and subscribe.